Hello children, welcome back to EVS class. In this class, we are going to start the new lesson that is useful plants. Okay, before starting this useful plants, let us revise about the plant something. Let us know something about the plants now. What you know about the plants, children? What you know, you can share. Okay, what you know about the plants? Why we should grow the plants? Do you know where the plants grows? What it needs to grow, you know, children? No. So let us study about the plants in this class first. Okay, before going further, let us see what are the parts of plants we can see. In the plants, there will be many parts, right? So what are the parts we'll be having in plants? Okay, see first, you can see the flower. Can you see the flower in the plant? Yes. Seeds you can see. Stem you can see. Leaf, we can see leaf and the root. Okay, root can you see? Where it will be the roots? Yeah, we can see the roots inside the soil. Right children? Inside the soil we can see the root. Okay, where it grows children? Where the plants will grow? Yes, plants grows on the land as well as water also children. Okay, plants grow on the land also and in the water also it grows. Okay, it may be very hot season, very cold places, everywhere the plants grows. Yes, no children? Everywhere. We can see the plants everywhere. Not only in summer, not only in winter, in all the seasons, in all the areas. Like cold regions also we can see the plants. In the hot regions also we can see the plants. Everywhere we can see the plants. Yes, no children? Yes. So what it needs to grow then? What are the plants need to grow? Yes, it needs water, sunlight, soil and air. The four main things help the plants to grow are what? Water it requires, soil it requires, sunlight it requires, okay, and the air also it requires. If one plant needs to grow well, these are the four main things it required to grow. Okay? Yes. Soil, air, water and sunlight. Keep in your mind. Okay? As I told you, it grows on the land as well as in water also. Next, what all we get from the plants? What all we get from the plants? We'll get the fruits, right? Vegetables we'll get. Then seeds also we'll get. Flowers also we'll get. Is not like this many things we can get from the plants here. Yes. Next, then we'll get the different types of food from this. Different types of food also we can get from the parts. From these parts of the plant, we can get different types of the food. How? See, flower. Flower, what type of flowers we can get? Rose. Rose can we get? Lily. Jasmine. These are the flowers we are getting from plants. Okay, seeds. Seeds like rice will get, wheat will get, jowar will get. As no, these are the seeds we are getting from the plant. Next, we can get the spinach. Spinach from the leaves. Have you seen the leaves? Yes, we'll get the spinach from the leaves. Like cabbage. Have you seen the cabbage? Yes, it is a spinach. Okay, like that. Next, potato we can get. Potato fruit we can get, vegetable. Then radish, carrot as the root vegetables we can get. Yes, no children? Yes. Radish, carrot, these are called root vegetables. Okay. Then some more is there. We can learn in the chapter also. Many things what we all getting from the plants, everything we are going to learn in this. Okay. So what we'll do from this rose and jasmine? How it helps us? Yes, we can prepare perfumes from the rose. Rose petals will be there, no children? From the rose petals and jasmine jasmine petals, we are going to prepare the perfumes. Got it? How this flower helps? It helps us to preparing in perfumes. For example, rose petals, jasmine petals. Got it? Next, some plants are used in the medicines. Some plants will use to the used in medicines also. For example, home medicine I'll say first. If you get cough, what your mother is going to do first? What your parents will do? When you'll be having cough at home, what medicine she will give first? Yes, she will give the tulsi. Tulsi, okay? Tulsi she is going to give, no? Yeah, that is a plant. Tulsi is a plant, right now? That she is going to give for cough and cold. Is no? Next, turmeric. It is like a antibiotic we can use. Is no? The turmeric, anti-inflammatory we can say. It works as an anti-inflammatory. Aloe vera, it helps us. It helps our skin to keep neat. Right, children? So like this, we are using plants in the medical purposes also. Okay, next. Plants are used to make the paper also. Plants are used for making paper. Okay, furnitures we can make. So in this way, the plants are helping. Then fibers. What you're wearing the clothes? Cotton clothes. From where we'll get? Cotton plant only we'll get. Right? These are the fibers we're getting from the plant like jute and cotton. That we'll use. That is helps. That helps us for making mats and bags. Jute. Okay, in so many ways the plants are helping. So plants are very useful to us. Okay, now let us go for the textbook. Okay, open your page number 51. That is lesson number 9, useful plants. Okay, now you understood, children, something about the plants? Okay, now we'll learn more about the plants. Okay, see children, plants are very useful to us. They give us many things. They also clean the air around us. What these plants will do? It helps us to keep the air clean around us. Why we need air? To breathe. We need fresh air to breathe, no? How the air will be fresh? By the plants. Okay, it is purified by the plants. So we'll get the fresh air. Next, let us see what things plant gives us. Now let us see what are the things plants are going to give us. Food. Majority of our food comes from plants. Do you agree with this? Yes. Majority, many of the food will get from the plants itself. Right, children? Yes. Plants give us cereals and pulses. Wheat, rice and jasmine are the main cereals. Arhar, gram, moong and urad are the main pulses. Okay, what are the types of foods we are getting here? From plants, first we'll get the cereals and pulses. Cereals means what are the cereals? Wheat, rice, maize. You can see the picture here. Wheat picture, rice. Yes, these all we are getting from the plants. These are the main cereals we are getting from the plants. Then the moong dals, urad dals, these will get us pulses. Are the main pulses we get from the plants. Okay. Next, plants give us fruits. Some fruits are juicy and some are dry. Fruits keep us healthy. Okay, we'll get fruits from the plants also. As now we'll get the fruits in the two ways, that is one is juicy fruit will get and other is dry fruits also we will get. Juicy fruits, which are the juicy fruits here? Mango fruit is a juicy, grapes are juicy, orange and bananas. These are juicy fruits. Okay, like dry fruits or walnut, almond, cashew nuts, badam, these are dry fruits. Okay, these two we are getting from where we are getting these juicy fruits and dry fruits? From the plant itself. Yes, no? Yes. Next, plant give us vegetables. We eat different parts of plants as vegetables. What it means? Plants are giving us vegetables also. Okay? In the different parts of the plants, we are getting the vegetables. Okay? Different parts of the plants. What are the parts I have shown you here? I told about from the different parts, we are getting the different vegetables. Okay? See, you can see the root vegetables. From the root vegetables we'll get that, as I told you, carrot and radish. Carrot, radish are called root vegetables. Got it? Next, stem vegetables. I told you potato. This is a stem. This part we call as stem. The stem vegetable is potato and RV also we can say. Potato RV we get from the stem vegetable. Okay, even the sugar cane. Have you seen the sugar cane, children? Yes, the sugar cane also stem vegetable only. This is the stem. You can see here. This part. Okay, this part is a stem. Stem I told you here, no? From this stem, we are going to get potato, arvi, sugar cane. These are called stem vegetables. Got it? Next, leaf vegetable. Leaf I have shown you here. There's no leaf. What vegetables we are getting? We are getting from this leaf. Yeah, that is cabbage, spinach. I told you spinach and cabbage also we will get from leaf vegetable. Okay, have you seen the cabbage? How many of them will like the cabbage? Yes, everybody likes because it is healthy food, right, children? So only we'll get that cabbage from the leaf. That means leaf part. Okay, cabbage. Next, flower. Flower you can see. Flower part, that is I told cauliflower. Have you seen the cauliflower, how it grows in the soil? Yes. So the cauliflower also flower vegetable we can say. Then broccoli. Broccoli also flower vegetables. Okay. So now we have learnt about the different types of vegetables, different parts of plants from which we are going to get the vegetables. That is root vegetable, carrot and radish, stem vegetable, potato and arvi, leaf vegetable, cabbage and spinach, and flower vegetable as cauliflower and broccoli. Okay, children, understood now? Fruit vegetables, fruits will get from the plants, vegetables will get from the plants. Okay, now we have learnt about two things. From where we'll get the fruits? Yes, fruits will get from the plants. What type of fruits you are getting from the plants? Juicy fruit and dry fruits also. Okay, now vegetables. From where you are getting the vegetables? From the plants itself. What are the types of vegetables you are getting from the plants? Root vegetables, stem vegetable, leaf vegetable and flower vegetable. Okay, we are finished with this. Let us move for the next point now. Plants give us tea and coffee. We also get sugar from plants. Will you drink the tea, children? Yes. Okay, in the morning first you start the day with the tea, right? So from where we are getting this tea and coffee? Yes. Tea and coffee also we are getting from the plants. Okay, from where we are getting? From the plants itself. Okay, then the sugar. You'll add for tea and coffee the sugar, no? From where we'll get this sugar? Yes, that sugar also we are getting from the plants itself. You can observe the picture in that. Okay, see the tea plant you can see. The leaves are taken and they'll prepare the tea powder. Okay, can you see that coffee? Coffee, what we are seeing there? We are seeing leaves. We are seeing stem. No, what we are seeing then? We are observing that coffee seeds. Okay, coffee seeds. Now you can see there. Yes, the seeds are taken and will make as the powder, coffee powder. Got it? Like the sugar, you can observe the sugar cane. Okay, as I told you, it is a stem vegetable. Stem I told, no? So that from the sugar cane we are getting the sugar. Okay, understood children? What all will get? Is tea, coffee and sugar also we will get from the plants. Got it? Next, plants give us species. Species add flavor and taste to our food. What they're saying? From the plants, what we are getting? Species. Species, have you seen? Okay, tell your mama to show that. Species I'll say. Like coriander seeds, cloves, pepper, turmeric. You can see at home only you will be having this. Okay, tell your mama to show this. Coriander seeds, then this cloves, pepper, turmeric. Why we need to add it? While preparing food, why we should add it? Because it gives the taste. Species gives the taste to our food. So only we are going to add the species. The species we are getting from the plants itself. Okay? Now we understood. Fruits will get from the plants. Vegetables also we are getting from the plants. Then the tea, coffee and sugar also we are getting from the plants. Then the species also will get from the plants. Okay. Next, plants give us oil, seeds of groundnut, mustard, sunflower and coconut are crushed to get oil. Oil is used for cooking food. What do you mean by this? For cooking food, what all we'll need? Oil also we need. No? Vegetables also we'll need. Then cereals, pulses, grains also we need. Then with that, we need some oil also for cooking food. Delicious food. Yes, no children? How we are getting from this oil? How we are getting this oil? From what we are getting this oil? Yes, we are getting this oil also from the plants. How? How we are getting this? Yes, we are taking the seeds of groundnut. Groundnut, you know, no children? The seeds of groundnut we are taking. Then mustard also will get the oil, mustard oil. Sunflower also you'll get the oil. Is no coconut oil. These are the oils, different types of oil we can see. Coconut oil, mustard oil, groundnut oil. Is no children? Then sunflower oil. These are the main oils we'll get. Mustard, from mustard oil, these are the seeds they have taken, they will crush it. They are going to crush. When it is crushed, we'll get the oil from that. Okay, these oils we are using for cooking purpose. Okay, children, understood? Yes. Coconut oil, some places they are using the coconut oil also for cooking food. Okay, in some places they are using groundnut oils. Some people will be using sunflower oil also for cooking food. Some people will be use mustard oil. They will use different oils, different types of oils to cook food. Okay, understood? Now from this we understood that. What we have understood? We understood that oil also we get from the plants. Got it? Yes. Next, fibers. Fibers, as I told you, fibers are nothing but fibers. For what purpose we will use? I told you no. To make clothes. Cotton, jute, these are called fibers. Okay. I told many types of fibers in the previous class. When we are doing clothes lesson, we had told. There's no nylon, terracotta, cotton, polyester, then jute. These are the fibers as I told you in the previous class. Okay, these mainly cotton and jute, these are natural fibers also I informed. There's no these fibers we are getting from the plant itself. Got it? Plants give us fibers. Fibers are used to make clothes. Mats, ropes and sacks. Cotton and jute are the main fibers. Now they are saying that plants are going to give us the fibers. Okay, fibers are used to make cloth. Clothes, then mats, whatever you are using in the home. Okay, so that mats, then ropes, then the sacks, these all made from the cotton and jute. Cotton and jute are the main fibers we can see, which we get from the plants. Okay, so you can see observe the picture there. Cotton plant. Okay, what is the color of the cotton? You can observe there. White color. What they are doing from that cotton? What we are making from the cotton? Yeah, it is cloth. Next, jute plant. Can you see the jute plant there? Yes, this jute plant is used to make sack, rope and mat, right? Yes. Next, we'll go for the hood. Hood also we'll get from the plant. Plant give us wood or timber. Wood is used to make different kinds of furniture. We should not cut trees for wood. Okay, children? Wood or wood we can call as timber also. This also will get from the plants. This wood, for what purpose we are taking the wood? To make furniture. You can see the sofa, okay, TV showcase something, then the doors, then the windows. Okay, many things, many furniture, dining table, from which they have made this all from the wood. Right now, from where we'll get this wood? From the trees. Okay, big trees. Plants are grown into the trees, no? That big trees, they are going to cut that. Yes, no? That wood we are used as the furniture. So we should not cut trees. They are saying that we should not cut trees. Why we should not cut trees? So many furnitures we'll get from the wood, no? Why we should not cut? No, children, we should not cut the trees. Because if you cut the trees, we'll not get fresh air to breathe. Okay, plants and trees are very necessary in our life. They play very important role in the living life. Okay, so it's very important. So we should not cut the trees. Okay, see the furnitures, what all you can see in this picture. Door you can see, chair, bed, pencil, what you are writing the pencil. That also made from the wood. Stool, table, window, these are the wood. These are the furniture we get from the wood or timber. Okay, next. Other useful things. Other useful things. What are the other useful things? Till now we have learned about what all the things we are going to get from the plant. What do we get? Let us revise. Let us revise. What all we'll get? Yes, let us revise, children. First, what all we'll get from the plants. What we'll get? We'll get food from the plants. How? What are the foods we are getting? Cereals, pulses and grains. Right? Cereals like, what are cereals? Wheat, rice and maize. I told you cereals, main cereals. Arhar, gram, moong. These are called pulses. Okay. Next, we'll get fruits from the plants, like a sweety, juicy fruit and the dry fruit. Right, two types of fruit we are getting. That is juicy fruit and dry fruit. What are juicy fruits? Mango, grapes, then orange, bananas. Many are there, children. Apple. These are called juicy fruits. Dry fruits means almond. Have you seen? Badam. Have you seen? Yes, badam, almond, and walnut, then cashew nuts. These are all dry fruits. Then, as I told you, vegetables will get from the plants. Different types of vegetables. That is root vegetables, stem vegetable, leaf vegetable, and flower vegetable will get from the plants. Then tea and coffee, sugar, this also will get from the plants. Then the species, as I told you, mustard, then coriander, pepper, cloves. These all species we are getting from the plants. Next, the oil, cooking purpose we'll use that, no? So this oil also we are getting from where? From the plants, from the seeds of the plants. Okay, next fibers, what we are wearing the clothes today. Cotton, it might be cotton, it might be jute. Okay, so these also we are getting from the plants. Then the wood, the furniture, what we are seeing in our home. Okay, in our surroundings, like a cupboard, chair, pencil, door, windows, sofa. Okay, everything we are done with the wood, which we are getting from the plant. Okay, children. Now, let us move for the other useful things. What are the other useful things here? Plants also give some other useful things. So it gives us some other useful things. The juice of flowers like rose and jasmine is used to make perfumes. What they are saying? The juice of flowers. The flower juice, as I told you, rose, jasmine. I told no, this juice is there, no flower juice petals. From that, they are going to make the perfumes. Okay, the wax from the seeds of jojoba plant is used to make shampoos. Okay, jojoba plant, you can see the jojoba plant. That plant seeds, what we are getting the seeds that we'll use for the as shampoo. Okay, we'll make that has shampoos. Okay, you can see the picture there, rose, jasmine, perfume and shampoo. Okay, these are the juice of the flowers are used to make perfumes. Okay, next, the leaves of neem and tulsi are used as medicines. Neem and tulsi leaves will be there, no? That we'll use as medicines. They cure cough, cold and pain also. Okay, for this leaves will do, it's going to cure the cough, cold and pain. Okay, next, medicines such as quinine and penicillin come from plant. Quinine is used to treat malaria. See, these are the medicines are coming from plants. Okay, which are the medicines we will get from the plants? Quinine and penicillin. Okay, these are the medicines we are getting from the plants. What this quinine is there, that we use for the malaria treatment. Okay, if any person is suffering from malaria, so they are going to cure that with the help of quinine medicine. Quinine. Okay. Next, you can observe the picture of trees there. Neem tree you can observe, tulsi plant, Yes, tulsi plant. In all the homes it will be there. Houses, every home will be having the tulsi plant. Yes, know that garlic, eucalyptus tree, this you can see. Okay, next, gum, paper and rubber from plants. Okay, the juice of bubble tree is used to make gum. So you can see the picture of bubble tree there. The bubble tree is used to, from this bubble tree we'll get the gum. Okay, next, the stem of bamboo plant is used to make paper. Bamboo plants, you can see there bamboo trees that is used for paper. Okay, used to make paper. The juice of rubber tree is used to make rubber. The juice, what will get the juice from the rubber tree, that we use to make rubber. So you can observe this, bubble tree, rubber tree, bamboo tree. Bubble tree, from bubble tree what we are getting? We'll get the gum. Okay, from the rubber tree, we'll get the rubber. Okay, that you can see that they are making tire also, we can make the tires. Okay, then the bamboo tree we can make the plants, sorry, paper. Okay, from the bamboo tree we can make the paper. Okay, these are the different types of plants what we are getting. Okay, next, plants. Now we will wrap up, children. Okay, now we have understood about the plants, what all the plants gives us. Okay, what all the plants gives us, we have learnt about. Many things it gives, fruits, vegetables, flowers, then as I told you, seeds, cereals, pulses, grains. Okay, then the what will make the oils from that. We'll get the cooking oil. Then what it gives, it is used for the medicinal purpose. Yes, no? So many things these plants give. Right, children? So many things it will give. Then, how we should take care of plants? How we should take care? It will give so much, no? So how we should take care of the children? Do you have any idea about it? No. Children, as I told you, the plants need 4 main things to grow. Right? 4 main things it needs to grow. So it takes to grow, no? Which are the 4 things I told you? That is water, air, sunlight and soil, I told you. So that we should take proper care of the plants. How? We have to water the plants regularly. Okay, we need, if the plants needs to grow means, we should water the plants regularly, and every time the plant should be placed in a place such a way that sunlight should emit. Okay, means sunlight, it should show in the sunlight. It is kept under the sunlight. Got it? Yes, children. From this we have finished this chapter. We'll go for the next activities in the next class, children. Okay? Thank you.